Good morning to the King community all over the world. And wherever you have, whatever time zone, I greet you good afternoon and good evening. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowu Ande, also known as Sapphire Joel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. This beautiful morning, I will be talking on your next step. Your next step. Guys, there is a quotation ascribed to Destayaga. It says, things do not change until you make up your mind not to quit. Things do not change until you make up your mind not to quit. This is directly to all divisions, especially the core team members and also the backup team coming up. Guys, if your next step will take you to the accomplishment of your goals, will you take it? Of course, any ambitious person will do that. Now, how do you know that as you are reading what is right in front of you, as you are listening to me right now, as you are watching that television, as you are watching that screen, as you are driving, right now, your next step will not deliver the success you so much desire. How do you know? No. And guys, guess what? How do you know that this broadcast that I'm doing, as you are listening to it now, will not be the next step for you to launch you into your success, into your desired success? Won't it be disappointment to realize at the end of the day that you stop making effort when you just need to do a little more to achieve the result? All core team members, you just need to put in little effort the more. Ensure you make your payment of your program fee before the expiration date to maintain and to remain in the core team. Core team is the in team, so don't lose your spot. The challenge and the competition is very high now. If you snooze, you lose. So don't wait till the last day of the expiration of your back office before you make your payments. What a shame it will be to have labored all these days, only to miss it because you refuse to take the next step. What is the next step? Ensure you make your payment before the expiration date and keep prospecting with the people into the community. The next step you take may be the one that will make you and the other step count. Don't forget, being the core team has a lot of goodies, a lot of benefits. And don't forget that taking the step of making your payment will lead to other steps and will make them count. Will you take it and give yourself the opportunity to celebrate success? I assure you, success awaits all core team members, backup team members come January 12, 2023. Success awaits us. Guys, indeed, it is worth doing. So, what if the next step does not take you to the promised land? What if? That's the question many are asking. Will I then be justified to quit the journey? No. No. And I said no. The next after it may. So, guys, that is it. Come what may, do all within your best to ensure you remain and you maintain your position in the core team. Yes, do that. It is very, very good and very, very needed and very, very essential for you to do that. Maintain your position in the core team. Maintain your position in the core team. Guys, the idea is to keep moving. Ensure your account is active all the time. And even if you are yet to get to the destination, I'm sure that you are in the way and I am in the way, irrespective of the challenges on the path. If we continue with diligence, with doggedness, and the passion to pursue, meaning we have a passionate desire in our pursuit, we will indeed take that next step that will take us to a victorious step, and we'll be so glad we did. We'll be so glad we persevere. To all Tibicians, to all court members, persevere. Very soon, our goal is just ahead of us. So, guys, I leave you with this word: do not relent, do not get tired, continue, persevere. Very soon, we shall all be celebrated. Thank you, guys. Wish you a wonderful and a beautiful day. Don't forget, I want you to like this broadcast. Also, subscribe to it for subsequent updates. Bless you.